Oh, hey, it's another day for notes. Today's notes, way less complicated than yesterday's notes. So, hooray. Let's get started. All right, so the topic for today's notes will be called estimation. Estimation. And the date is 8/24. So it's Tuesday, 8/24. Your topic for the day is going to be estimation. If you've watched the other videos, you have a good idea of what we're going to be doing with estimation. If you have not watched the other videos yet, just go ahead and take a moment to watch those and review, and then come back and we can finish our notes. So remember, after your table of contents, you should have your blank kind of page. Then yesterday, you made your place value notes, so those should be in there too. And now, turn to your next page, and you're going to stay on the front of the next page, all right? Because one of the things that we're going to do is, if you found out anything about whole number place value yesterday and you thought it was a really cool thing, or you want to help yourself remember, you can write it on this side. This whole side right here is for you to build connections and do all sorts of stuff to better understand whole number place value. All right, so next page, remember, don't write on the backs of pages. Start every new topic on the right side, this side, okay? So every new topic will be on the right side. So once again, we want to put the date because that's basically how we use our table of contents. If I want to find out when we did estimation, all I have to do is look over here. This is my page number, basically. All right, and then we're going to title it, of course, estimation. All right, and then just like we did yesterday, we're going to write our essential question, otherwise known as our EQ. All right, so once again, the essential question at the top is what we're going to use to basically figure out if we have taken good notes. Because by the end of our note taking, we should be able to answer the essential question. And our essential question for today is, how are estimation and rounding alike? Oops, that's like I. Alike and different. All right? Because we have similarities, things that are alike about estimation and rounding, and we also have differences. Okay? So, the first thing to know is, let's go ahead and make this a 2-column note page. All right, so what I mean by that is, after you write your essential question, go ahead and put a vertical line that goes down the page. So we're going to have a left column and a right column. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is talk about estimation. So estimation, all right, estimation makes numbers easier to work with. So what I mean by work with is add, subtract, multiply, and divide, our 4 operations. All right, so estimation makes numbers easier to work with, okay? And then I'm going to write what rounding does. Rounding makes numbers easier, but follows specific rules. All right, so go ahead and finish writing that, and we'll come back and talk about those specific rules.